Hello, thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos, and today we are looking at two-step equations and multi-step equations. So let's take a look at some of these and let's get started. Alright, so remember, with most of the problems we have on Delta Math, you can usually hit watch help videos in case this video is not enough. You can get extra help from that video as well, okay? But what we're going to do is go over the steps for two-step equations and work them out here. So here we got the steps for solving two-step equations, okay? So first we're going to add, subtract, isolate the variable. Then we're going to multiply or divide to solve the variable. And then we're going to check your solution. So let's start with the first part here. The first part is to add or subtract to isolate the variable term. And the variable term is 12w. So we're going to add this negative 24 on both sides. And once we do that, we can bring down this 12w, cancel this out because that gets you 0, and then add this together, which gets you 36. Okay, so that's the first step. Check. Alright, next we're going to multiply or divide to solve for the variable. Okay, and 9 times out of 10 it's going to be just divide, because usually you have this 12w. Unless it's a fraction here, then that's where you would multiply. But here we're just going to divide. So we're going to divide the 12 on both sides. Let that cancel out. And then you'll get w here. So 36 divided by 12 is 3. So that checks the second step. Alright, so the next step here is to check your solution. So you can check your solution by doing 12 times w, I'm getting that from up here, 12 times w minus 24. That's equal to 12. And you can plug in this 3. And all you got to do is type all of this in the calculator and then see if you get 12. And if you get 12, then that means it's correct. So that's how you check your solution. And that is the steps for solving two-step equations. Alright, let's take a look at another problem. Alright, so same steps, same type of problem. The only difference is your 3x is over here in the middle, but that doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if your variable's on the left side, right side, in the middle. It doesn't matter. You have to isolate the variable by itself. So we're going to add or subtract. In this case, we're going to add. We're going to do the opposite of negative 6, which is positive 6. And we do it on both sides. And this will cancel out, get you 0, bring down to 3x, and then 9 plus 6 is 15. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to divide by 3. And then x is equal to 15 over 3, which is 5. Alrighty, so now we're going to do the last step, which is check your solution. And you'll type negative 6 plus 3 times 5 in the calculator and see if it equals 9. And if you get 9, that means your solution is correct. Alright, and that is steps for solving two-step equations. Again, I want to thank you for checking out Delta Math, and have a nice day.